Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let's go, my people. We are live.
Cat Williams. Huh?
Yes, peeps. So, big move here. We even look for London lows, and these are New York session lows for some reason. They're not. Where it is. I mean, we've taken out these lows. We could very well push back up. I just want to see what happens with this 5-minute gap first, if we inverse it or not. 5 minute? 15-minute gap. If we don't, then I'll look for London highs and Asia session highs and even New York session highs. Oh, yeah.
Qu'est-ce que tu fais? Il pleut. Arrête de t'entraîner maintenant. Ça suffit. Non, faut que je continue encore. Faut que je m'entraîne encore. Faut que je laisse ma trace comme Federer.
In this video, I'm going to show you how you can give yourself a penetration test completely for
So, just want to see if we fill this gap or not. Inverse it. That's it. Waiting now.
Así es la cosa, yo, representando, así es la vida, es dura que tener una meta, tener el corazón lleno de fuego, quemando, aterrizando en esta tierra, siempre adelante, nunca para atrás, yo, tengo una meta, ardiendo. Es mi fuego, que nunca deja de quemar, siempre está encendida,
think you might take out these lows and then go and take out the highs. I just don't want it to just zip down. We still got 9 minutes, which is a bit annoying on that time frame. Because I don't, the 5 minutes call, 15 minutes of call, the 1 minute is disgusting, so 0 trades will be taken on 1 minute something like this. Yes, it's pretty much clean, but nothing did open 7 minutes ago, so let's just give us some time.
Así es la cosa, yo, representando, así es la vida, es dura que tener una meta, tener el corazón lleno de fuego, quemando, aterrizando en esta tierra, con un propósito, hay que seguir marchando, siempre adelante, nunca para atrás, yo, tengo una meta, y mi corazón está quemando, ardiendo, ardiendo, yo, ardiendo, quiero candela, muéstrame camino de mi sueño, dame fuerza, quiero candela, si tengo todo lo que puedo, me voy a conquistar, quiero candela, muéstrame camino de mi sueño, dame fuerza, quiero candela, si tengo todo lo que puedo, me voy a conquistar, quiero candela, muéstrame camino de mi sueño, dame fuerza, quiero candela, si tengo todo lo que puedo, me voy a conquistar, quiero candela, muéstrame camino de mi sueño, dame fuerza, quiero candela, si tengo todo lo que puedo, me voy a conquistar,
You wouldn't steal a car. You wouldn't
steal a car.
You wouldn't.
How the fuck do you know? You know? How do you know? See, now I would have liked for Nasdaq to take these lows before we push up to look to take these highs out. ES is still very bearish. These two are not brethren, they're not friends right now, so is it really something that I want to be getting in on if these two aren't friends? Yesterday we got in a trade that kind of was pally, but right now they're not. That's closed for the 5 minute, 15 minutes still hasn't closed. ES still hasn't closed underneath this versus 15 minutes for value back yet. Nasdaq didn't. So I wouldn't be surprised if we do just. I wouldn't be surprised if we just do this and continue to make our way up. ES I won't be trading on because Nasdaq is the more bullish of the two. So what if I go for longs? It go Nasdaq, shorts it will be on ES. ES is a lot more bearish, but if this closes and engulfs this fair value gap, then it's going to be a bit weird for the taking trades because they're not in line with each other. We've got to take out London highs. I mean, Nasdaq could take London highs and then push back down and then compensate London lows, potentially New York session lows. That is valid. ES get a bit of a push up if we close bearish and the inverse is the ES pushes up and then comes down and sweeps out these lows as well. Possible. But we've got 3 minutes left. Oh. London highs have now been swept. Still pushing up on the Nasdaq. See, now this is why patience pays. You've got to wait because it's going to stay this 1 minute 30. We haven't inversed this gap yet. Jeff, yeah.
Right, I'll go get help. The green flag will be here soon, son. Trust me.
We have a gap on the hourly as well. So I need ES to inverse that really to look for longs to ace of session highs.
Green flag.
This is about to inverse it.
You're the one that got away.
Got that. I don't know what this purple line is supposed to be. Oh, that was where New York session was previously. London session, sorry. So I just need ES to inverse that gap and then we can start looking for longs. Obviously got Nasdaq on a second screen as well, so unfortunately you can't see that right now, but doesn't matter too much.
Black of peas came to make it hot. We beat the fire starter, bubbling up just like lava, heated like a sauna, penetrating through your body armor. Rhythmically we massage ya, with hip hop mixed up with samba. So yes, y'all. You know we never stop, we never rest, y'all. The black of peas will keep it funky fresh, y'all. And we won't stop until we get y'all, say it.
Peter Piper, big peppers, but rock rhymes. 1, 2, 3, 4, several times. Heavy rotation played by every kind. Radio station blessing every mind. We crossing boundaries like every day. Do Bobby, in the on the bay. We got tab magnification, tab magnify like every day. Yes, y'all. You know we never stop, we never rest, y'all. The black bees will keep it funky fresh, y'all. And we won't stop until we get y'all. Till we get y'all. Say yeah.
Big push down on ES. We haven't inversed it yet. That close here, this is a 15-minute candle. We still haven't inversed it. I don't know why I got such a big push down. We did inverse the hourly.
Drop hot, be my daily operation. Gotta put in work in this crazy occupation. Gotta keep it moving. That's the motivation. Gotta ride the waves and keep a tight relation with my team. Keep it moving and doing it right. Up in the lab every day till daylight. That's the way things move in this monkey business.
We took an old samba song and remixed it.
So Nasdaq has even inversed that gap. This is looking to inverse the 15-minute gap. Fuck knows what's going on right now. Not a lot.
Sergio play yo piano. Sergio play yo. Yo, 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 yo. Check it out.
Strange. So Nasdaq has reversed. ES gave us a pullback and we respected this bearish February gap, big push down in the 1 minute time frame. We would have inversed this gap, which is essentially where we could have gotten in. We haven't taken the lows yet. So we could still look for shorts, but I want a bit of a pullback.
25% off your first Ocado and free delivery for 3 months.
Sense,
you can save on what you need and splurge on what you love.
Stop loss would be
save
here,
and splurge with
shit.
Ocado.
No. It's not good enough. It's a negative risk to reward, but it's just no point. Which is fine, I'm happy with missing this trade because it wasn't a good one anyway. Unless we get a bullish engulfing and then inverse it again, we could get in. But we have now a gap, 1 minute gap on this time frame here. Chart's a bit messy. Chart is a bit messy, man. There's not a lot of shit going on. I mean, this didn't get inversed to the upside, but we swept London highs, which was great. ES didn't inverse that. Didn't even inverse on the 15-minute time frame this gap before we looked to get in. We couldn't inverse it now, but pullback here would be nice, and then we can come down and take out. I'll take a trade if we get a pullback, and then look to come down and take out these lows. I'll take a trade because that's bearish. This is about to be bearish. We haven't even inversed this gap still yet, but ES would have inversed, so I'm happy with that. 5-minute time frame. We respected this gap, which is great. Nothing's really happened on Nasdaq yet, so we're still quite early. Like it's what, 22 minutes market open. Good for me, but I just want a gap here, bro. What are we saying? 1, 2, 3, gap. A gap here, we inverse this, then we look to take out these shorts. Would be nice. Nothing to inverse. We have a 1-minute gap here on ES. I don't know what the fuck this has been inversed. I need to clutter my chart. That works. Clutter my chart. It's a 15-minute. We've got this 1-minute gap here. Which if we respect that, then great. I just want to see if we create another fair value gap here first, which doesn't look like we're gonna fucking do. We got how long? 2 seconds? No, we didn't. Okay. That doesn't count. That we inversed, and then. I mean, it looks like we're going to take out these lows, which is fine. Didn't get the entry we wanted, so it doesn't matter. We could get in on Nasdaq and look for these lows. I need another pullback. If that's the case, we can get an inverse shirts. May not tap it. Let's see. So ES is now taking the lows. I think Nasdaq is very close to it as well. Yep. Yeah, I mean, it's not ideal, is it really? Not much I can do now. This may have been the trade if it is. Well, that's okay, but that's still OD. I think Nasdaq ever push back up now. If we can get pushed up, then we can look. I'm going to get rid of this. That's annoying. Get rid of that. That's annoying. Get rid of that. That's annoying. Fucking chart. Get rid of that. That's not been taken. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. That's not been taken yet. That's not been taken. Yes. There's no draws there. We have this draw still. It could come down to, especially if Nasdaq wants to take out this one. You fucking pussy. Ah, Nazi. Just give it a rest. Give it a breather for a second, please. Yeah, bro, we might absolutely shit the bed here. We didn't get an entry. We didn't get an entry at all. We inversed this and we didn't create a bullish engulfing to inverse it again. It's just not gonna get in on it. If we get a pullback now, I'll be targeting these lows. If we get a pullback here and the thingy, I'll be targeting that. I need a pullback. Before I can do anything. I need a pullback. The reason I need a pullback is to, cooked. Weird one today. If we got that for value gap, would have been in on ES, man. Nasdaq's taken this. We've got these. We have these Asia session. Is it New York session lows? We've got New York session lows, and that's it. That is lows on the hourly time frame, by the way. It is lows. That's what we have. I need to pull back to want to take them. Create a 5-minute gap, which would be great. And then we don't inverse it. We just pull back into it. Continue down would be nice, but we have to see. It's all I'm looking at is Nasdaq right now. ES is done. ES is taken out. Wow. ES could come and take out London. I don't know about Asia. It's a bit ambitious, but I need to pull back again. I wouldn't need another pullback again. Both indexes right now. We can inverse a 1-minute gap would be decent. Inversing and reversing. Did you see this pullback looking okay? See, right now we've got to just close this 3 minutes. We are getting a pullback on Nasdaq, which is what I like to see. I just need a bit bit more really. The 1 minute, if we can create a fair value gap in the 1 minute time frame, so push up further, maybe midway, and then next candle this closes, next candle closes that up. Could have been an entry as well, but I just don't like that for stop loss reasons. Where do I enter? I enter off this, and then what? Like, where do I place my stops? Up here? It's 1-to-1, so shit. Place it just above the fair value gap. It never created a fair value gap yet. What do you mean? So I'll have to get a pullback, fair value gap, then a pullback into the fair value gap. I need to continue. Yeah, I'm missing the fucking ride right now, which is annoying. Entry. I just need a fucking entry. Just give me an entry, bro. Please. Come on, push into this gap here and respect it and then come back down, please. That's the entry I need. This is going to piss me off. I don't want to inverse on that on the ES, but ES is more bearish anyway, so I'm not too worried about that. I just need Nasdaq to give me a bullish engulfing and then inverse it. Or ES to give me one and inverse it. Either or, I'm not fast. Let's just pause this for a minute because it's annoying me in my ear now. Right. Fucking game time, man. Come on, lad. I just don't know how to be reverse. Let's see. Come on, just have a decent push up, man. Shit. We haven't even got one on ES. Like, Jesus, man. It might just be a no trade day, I'll be completely honest with you. Especially if it just wants to keep fucking doing it, so I can't get in on anything. Yeah, I don't think we're going to get a trade here. I reckon we'll take out these lows, but I don't think we're going to get a trade. Unless we get a big push up into this fair value gap. I'm going to lose my fucking shit. Yeah, I mean, like, could I get in there? Could I get in here now? We've created that. There's no fair value gap. Like, is it even a valid trade now? When you think about it, is that valid? Yes or no? Not really. Like, is this valid? It's not a valid trade. It's not a valid trade. It's 1 to 2, but it's not valid. It could very well continue to push back up. That's what I'm saying. So, it could drop. It could push up. It's 50-50 right now that we push up. Imagine if I was in on this position right now, I'd be fucking fuming. 40 minutes into market open, I mean, didn't just give me one fair value gap and inverse it, and I'm in. Like, boring price action. You see? We would have been fucking smoked. And we would have been what? Fucking smoked. This is what I'm saying, man. This trading shit is all about patience, bro. Patience. If you know what that is. Patience. Let's see. Right. Now we just need to break a structure back to the downside. And then we need to inverse the gap and we can take out the lows. If not, these New York session highs. New York session highs are looking juicy. We're at POC on that. We're at POC on that. New York session highs. London session highs. Wait, what the fuck is going on here? Oh, London session highs are here. That's Asia session. Previous New York session. We do have New York session highs here as well. I mean, off market open, we did push up. The free pattern rule, we push up, we revert, and then we go back down. It could very well look to take out highs right now. But now I would need to see 5-minute fair value gaps get taken. So this would need to get taken first. So what I would need just for you guys is I need this to close above this fair value gap. Probably get a bit more of a push up, then we get a push back down, create a bearish fair value gap, then we inverse it, and then we can target these highs. That was what would have to happen on the Nasdaq, as it is more bullish. We have already we're about to inverse this fair value gap on here. I don't really want to target this as a low right now. We kind of could, I guess, but there's just no point really. I don't think so. Longs is a shout. Longs on Nasdaq is a shout right now. We took out London lows. We haven't taken out. Took out London highs. We haven't taken out London lows yet. Longs just up to New York session highs. Potential, but we have to inverse this gap first. Oh. Reading price. Reading price is so valuable and valid to be able to read price is the best. So we have inversed this gap now. So we're bullish. So we're actually bullish right now on a 1 minute, 5 minutes, not really bullish yet, but we're getting there. This is ES is now bullish. So we're going to create that gap's been inverse. I can get rid of it. Let's see if we create another gap here, a bullish value gap here now. Because if we create this, then price could look to continue to make its way up. We'll have to wait and see first. Yes, looks good as well because we have London highs, to be fair. We've taken out London lows for ES. We've taken out London highs for the Nasdaq. Failed here, which is a bit weird, but we've got ES, London and New York session highs for this previous session and London session. So I'm going to see if we create this fair value gap here, and then as long as we stay above it, it's longs. We need a bigger push up. We have to see. Love me, love me. We will have to see if we stay above this or not. The ES Nasdaq is still in the same area. Yup. So we've got now 2 minutes 50. It's 3 o'clock. Still within trading territory, so we got a while still. Yeah, we still have some time. We still have some time, man. This is a little bit strange. Strange. I see ES. ES is still maintaining the gap. We need to make a fucking gap, please. So do something so I can get in. How long do we have for this to close? 1 minute 20. Oh, I want to play some music, man. What we got? Can't play anything crazy because the video just won't play. They'll ban my video, so it's just... Why am I getting no sound? What's going on? Oh. This isn't too bad now. Now we're looking at something that's not too bad, yeah? So what I'm looking for now is, I just don't like the fact that we put POC here. POC here is good. POC on this I don't like on the 5 minute time frame. 1 minute we're still below it as well. Not that it matters, but price is coming up to where orders are usually placed. On this here we're at where orders are being placed here on 1 minute. 1 minute orders are being placed here as well. So it depends.
Now I have to give records that I know don't work, and now he's telling me it doesn't.
Nasdaq is more bullish. I want to see how we react off POC first of all, and then if we don't react heavy and push all the way down, fine, we can continue to make our way back up. If we ES is looking better for longs now because we've got actual things to target. You only have previous with New York session highs, which has just been created. I mean, this gap was inversed, right? 5 minute, yeah, inverse, nice. Inverse, nice. Just get rid of it because it's in my way. Actually, I want to keep it. I do want to keep it actually, just because we created a fair value gap. Sorry, we inverse it. And the bearish is still to take out these lows on Nasdaq, these lows on ES, which we very well could do right now. But this is the pullback that we're looking for. So if we don't inverse it, then we create a fair value gap. This will tell you off POC. We've pushed down. You see, here we've gone below POC now. Orders are placed underneath. See the fair value gap to be made. Doesn't want to create any type of fair value gap at all, does it? In the direction I need it to. We've got a bullish one here. We inverse it to the downside, but there is no bearish one that's been created, so it doesn't matter. We need a bearish one to then get inversed. On this, it just came back up again. Doesn't matter once again. Okay, see now ES is now looking to inverse this 5-minute gap again. So what the fuck is going on with the market? But it's a good pullback if that's the case, because we inverse this on a 5-minute time frame, we could gain as well, but I want to see this get inversed first. Close 50 seconds, so we can still push back up. I'm coming up, if I don't find it in the next half an hour, if I don't find a trade, I'm coming off at 4 o'clock. Traded past that time, man. It's not worth it. So we inversed it on the we inversed it on the ES on the 5-minute time frame. Haven't inversed on Nasdaq yet, which is just like what are we doing here? Still no fair value gap on this time frame, on a 1-minute time frame again. We're looking to inverse it. If we inverse this, I'm taking shorts. I'll be taking shorts. I'll be looking for shorts down to these lows. Oh fucking hell, bro! Like, oh god! Like inverse. Like, what is going on? Inverse. Same shit. Can we pick a fucking direction that we're gonna take out these lows as well on Nasdaq? I'll fucking lose my rag in a minute. Thing is, looking at it in hindsight, this could have been a trade for the downside, but it would have been a fucking perfect trade as well. Fuck me, bro. How are we supposed to get in on something like that after we've just inversed this gap to the upside, without inversing the gap down, letting us know we're going to go down? Same with this, taking out like, yeah, I'm coming off the charts now. There's no point. My peeps, I'm gone. See you later. I've just taken out both lows again. Missed the move. Bruce.